Hello and welcome back, and thank you for joining us. My name is John Shin and I'm the Senior Product Specialist here at Empower Brokerage. Today we have a very important subject to cover with you. It's how we can order a Medicare Replacement Card. Common question that we get all the time. If your red, white, and blue card, original Medicare card is lost or stolen, or you can no longer use it because it's too faded or damaged, you can easily replace it by calling 1-800-MEDICARE. That's 633-4227. You can also order a print or replacement card by logging into your Medicare.gov account. If you get your Medicare health or drug benefits from a Medicare Advantage plan, such as an HMO, a PPO, or a prescription drug plan, just call your plan to get your card replaced. If you get Medicare through the Railroad Retirement Board, call the Railroad Retirement Board to order a replacement Medicare card. You should also get your new card in the mail within 30 days. Your Medicare card, your Social Security card, and other health insurance cards are very important documents. You want to make sure to keep a photocopy of your important identification and insurance cards. Write down any important numbers like your Medicare number and keep everything in a very safe place so that you have a record of future reference if anything gets lost. Okay, if you have any questions about this, you can always call Medicare at 1-800-MEDICARE. You can also give us a call here at Empower Brokerage, 1-888-539-1633. Okay guys, that's all we have for you today on this subject. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or give us a call at 888-539-1633. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more.